Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making flower cuffs. Let's get started. First we're going to need some candy, and we're also going to need some scissors and some string. I'm going to be using fabric elastic, these random scissors I have from my desk, light pink beads, dark pink beads, and clear and solid colored yellow beads. Okay, first we're going to take our string and we're going to go ahead, it's like a little bit, like maybe like 2 feet, yeah. Well, I'm gonna start off with my two dark pink beads. Y'all can do like whatever colors y'all want. Y'all don't have to do the exact same I'm doing. We're gonna go ahead and take 2 beads and just put them on like that. Okay, now we're gonna take our other 2 sides of string and we're going to go ahead and just kind of like put them together to where our little bracelet kind of looks like this. Gonna be like the top basically. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take our both sides of string, and I'm going to take 1 yellow bead and I'm going to put that on. So the little flower cuff should look something like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step over and over again with some different colors. I'm going to be taking 2 more dark pink beads just like the first round. And I'm going to put 1 onto one side, and I'm going to put 1 onto the other side. And I'm going to take both of the sides, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull. Now I'm going to keep doing that with different colors multiple times until the bracelet fits me. Okay, now it looks like I'm almost done, so I'm going to go ahead and measure, because I don't want to make it too big and just like do all that work for nothing. Okay, that fits. So, this is kind of like what the ending looks like right here. Take your right side of string and push it into the left sided bead. And do the same thing with your other left-sided string. So take your left-sided string and push it into the right bead. So this is what your little flower thing should look like. Just like that. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to start with my right side of string, and I'm going to take one bead and take my string and push it into the bead right there. I'm going to pull. It's going to look a little wonky at first, but that's okay because we're just going to keep going. It's going to get better. I'm going to do the same thing with my other side of string. I'm going to put one bead on, and I'm going to push it into the other bead that's like the same color as the petal. Just like this. So I'm going to keep doing the same thing. I'm going to take bead, put it onto my string. Okay, once you're done with that like first flower right there, go ahead and take both of your sides of string and push it into these two beads right here. Just like this, and we're going to keep repeating that step. We're going to put one bead onto our string, push it into the next petal, take our left side of string, put one bead on, and push it into the next petal. One bead on, push it into here, put one bead on, and push it into here. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing again. Take our string and push it through over here. Just like that. I'm going to do another close-up so that y'all don't get too confused. Basically, just taking our string and pushing it into here before we put another bead on and push it into here. So, pushing it into here, putting a bead on, and pushing it into here. So basically, it's coming over here, push it into here, put a bead on, and push it into here. And guys, a step I see most people miss is kind of just like they like keep forgetting to, like, whenever you're done putting that bead on and pushing the string through over here, they forget to put it into here, so then it just looks really bad. But if y'all do make that mistake, just know that it's okay. Y'all can try again. Accidents happen, but just make sure whenever you're done pushing the string from here into here, you push it into the next petal to start the process again. Okay, when you get to the end, we're just going to keep repeating the same step one last time. I'm going to take our string, push it into the very last petal. Same thing on the left side. And this is what your little like final little flower cuff should look like. You can just like have it like as a keychain if y'all wanted to, like just like that. Or y'all can make it into a bracelet, but right now I'm just going to be making it into a bracelet. So first I'm just going to tie it off like normal so like it doesn't come apart easily. I'm going to do about 3 knots. And I'm going to take my other side of the little flower cuff, and we're just going to like connect them sort of. If you were to connect the 2 bracelets hypothetically, you would take your left side string, push it into the left side of like the other petal, take your right side string, do the same thing but on the right side. So like this. I'm just going to pull. And then I'm just going to tie a little knot. Okay. Now we're just going to go ahead and cut off the excess. And y'all, oh my gosh, it's so cute. We have a little flower cuff. If y'all have any questions, feel free to just comment, and I may be able to do another video to help you all through the steps again. This is the end of the video. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.